Alright, so let me know what do you think about these. Let me know if this is the worst colorway ever. Let me know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching. Even though this is not a review, I cannot help myself, so here's a few things I like and hate about these. I really love the overall design and the color combination I've picked. It's very striking. The sock liner material and padding are extremely nice. But the quality control is f***ing atrocious. There's horrible brush strokes on the midsole, and not only that, but look at this. Whoever painted this just got bored and did some random brush stroke at the end. And yes, the paint is also chipped and bubbled up. The leather creased because the midsole was not carefully pressed on the upper. The stitching is white and pink, but the leather is fireberry and sail. A horrible mistake or decision. And I can barely see the ALX on the tongue. The tongue design is also too simple and boring, and finally these look way too different compared to what the ones on the website looked like. Right after I've placed my order, this specific option to customize went out of stock, and right now the Airmax 90 is completely removed from Nike by You, in my region at least. Sadly, I cannot do my classic screen record showing off the colors and panels while making these, but the colors I've selected are black for the sock liner, this mesh, the back rubber and the side mudguard window, fireberry for the toe cap, the eye stay, these plastics, the outsole, the airbag, and swoosh. I wanted these sections to look separate and the swoosh to be hidden. I've also added a mini debossed swoosh. The tongue, mudguard, and whole midsole are in sale because I knew that whoever paints them will screw up the lines on this wedge. The stock laces are also sale because I knew I will swap to black robe laces. There's nothing extra in the classic white Nike by You box, and just like with my other 3 Nike by You sneakers, I wanted to make something different and not copy any other existing styles or colorways. So as you can see, this is the most expensive sneaker I ever bought, the one-of-one Nike by You Airmax 90. I got these last winter as a very early birthday present for myself. These were 170 euros, only 10 euros more than the general release Air Max 90 in the stores around me, so it was a no-brainer, I had to get them. Hey, welcome back to my channel. First do me a favor and subscribe, thank you, let's get to 1000 subscribers.